Here we have, here's a Toshiba Satellite A105-S2021. ATI graphics. It was $20 and I paid $20. I had a $20 bill, that's it. So I just gave it to her. She let me skip taxes. Ooh, sleeper by design. It looks extremely clean. I hope there's a hard drive in there. So yeah, change of scenery today. It's got VGA with the screws, which is great. S-video. 2 more USB ports, Ethernet, and power jack. There's my messy hair, there's the screen. Looks good, it's just filthy. Ooh, True Bright, I hope it is. Instantly play CDs and DVDs without booting Windows. Oh, this still has that. The max amount of RAM is advertised. Looks pretty nice. Keyboard's worn out, look at that, shiny. Sounds really good though. 100 gigs. Nice, 100 gig. Here we go. Screen looks great, didn't clean it off yet. And it's got a Best Buy sticker on the bottom of it, what's left of it, so it's probably full of malware. Windows XP, the original OS for this laptop. AOL saved that PC. Take a chance. Take a chance on me. This, oh my god, oh, it's got Napster. Mask Spanish 21, McAfee. Recovery disk creation, something. Look at that iTunes icon. This is cool. That's a cool wallpaper. I'll be saving that. Toshiba modified. Well, we'll put that back. Where's the quick launch? Rosie. Okay. Family Tree Maker. Windows Media Player. TurboTax. It's deductible. Express. 2004. Oh. Buy a Toshiba Direct. Record now. Publisher 03. Old version of iTunes. See the system info. Look at that. Registered to Rosie. I have Rosie's computer. Let's go back to the picture it wallpaper. I like that. Holy crap. Works Task Launcher. Yahoo Music Engine, Registry Mechanic, oh no. Real Deal, Slots Nickel Alley, Slots Volume 2, Scansoft, Omnipage, SE4, Sonic Startup, Toshiba Applications, Canon MP610, Arcsoft Software Suite, AOL Explorer, Family Tree Maker, Epson, DVD RAM, Databecker, Cosme. What disc is in here? We got... Oh, that sounds good, the speakers. Oh, I come from a little town, not much. I Shazam that song and it's from 2018. Do you know anyone who uses a Celeron M laptop for their daily laptop in 2018? Let me know. Oh my god! What? This video was on the Dell Latitude D810. Yeah, Pat Green, cool. Oh! Rufus Wainwright, Ray Kane, Steve Hall, Stevie Wonder, Vince Gill, Willie Nelson. My favorite Stevie Wonder song. We got Martina McBride, Lisa Kelly, Linda Ronstadt, got Kelly Clarkson, James Blunt, George Winston, Francis Black, the Fleetwoods, the Flamingos, Eva Cassidy, Emmylou Harris, Eminem, Christy Lane, Al Green, the Alan Parsons Project, Andy Murray. Why'd the speakers get totally annihilated? What the hell's wrong with my tripod? And we got Israel Kamakawiwo'ole. Oh no, here's this song. Remember that one? One more time. Leanne Womack, I hope you dance. From like 1999 or 2000. Got Neil Young, Pray Went Up, deleted. Melissa Etheridge, Greatest Hits. Nora Jones. Under Pressure. Ooh, let's listen to Alfred Joy. Randy Newman. Oh, it's the one from Toy Story. And it sounds like garbage. I gotta fix that. I'm totally sorry. Paul Simon. There goes Ryman Simon. Oh, it's your favorite? Yeah, I don't. Too bad the speakers freaking died. My Music, modified 21705, the newest thing, 118-2020. Oh shit. November 20, security camera. Contact information to Judy. Ugh, come on, people. Data safety. Deb at KKBK, whatever. Something watermelon in Canada. This was from, where is this from? Details. July 11th, 2010. Joey's Grades. Miss Dana Banner. Letter to Steve. Ooh, beef tenderloin recipe. Definitely published that. Ooh, Real Player, Truvio, Weather. Well, here it is. Whoops, and there it goes. Yeah, there you go. 2009, Paul's Ancestors, Fax Forum, Kitty's Tribute, Dolores Prayer, Bad Texas Rabbit, Granny Airbag. Well, this is fun, isn't it? Rosie's letterhead. How do you like this? 2 laptop old hard drive explorations back to back. With more political stuff. Wow. What are the chances? That's an old photo. Rosie. Oh, that's Rosie. Rosie, Frank, and Jack. Mama's Family Life, The Rainbow's Edge, Amy Michelle Invite, MCC Mission Project Connecting. From Lupe, It's Destructible 2006, My Files, Chancellor Gardens, Cheryl Wheeler album cover. Oh, here's a bunch of addresses. I'll be deleting all this, except the videos. Delete. 220 items. Ooh, Sanyo! Oh yeah, look at that. Great. Seems made in China, so I don't know which one it is. I don't know. I'm going to have to use a separate program to determine that. Look at all this stuff. Check that out. I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, but nothing's loading. I even went to I430BX's site to get a browser, but didn't load. Registry mechanic. Let's get rid of that crap as soon as possible. Oh, wonderful. Classic YouTube video. SBC Global's when we first had internet in 2004. I'm gonna take this apart and clean the fan. That sucks. We have a piece of shit camera. You have a Chicony keyboard here. Just as good as the ones in the IBM ThinkPads. So that's why it got so hot. I dusted off the board. It's really dusty. So we have a 1.5 gigs now. Here's the price tag. Came off relatively easily. The hard drive is very silent. I could barely hear it over the fan. Gotta see how many hours are on it. Here's the photo I found on the computer. That is almost the same one. It's very similar. Oh, no way. Less than 20,000. Axe Metastream. Yep, just a bunch of crap. January 2020, they installed Service Pack 3 and Flash Player 10 ActiveX. It's connected to my Wi-Fi, but it's not getting a connection. Websites don't load. It says can't connect the server. Big spike right there. And yeah, when I started playing music for the first time, it was skipping. BIOS update. Install from Windows. How nice. Playing this video really nicely. I'm loving this wallpaper. Here's the settings for the speech systems. Screensaver. Don't fuck. That one's allegedly faulty. The Ethernet. Ooh, Sansa fuse. Put in a photo of that right here. Okay, did it fix the issue?